I'm your ZV1 fan and welcome to my channel. And as I promised for my last videos, I'm going to unbox the ZV1 Mark II on this channel. So I got the ZV1 Mark I that I'm using for almost 3 years now, and now need to upgrade for the ZV1 Mark II. So just a simple unboxing, no blah blah blah. All right, I just want to show you what's inside the box, and for more videos to come, I will show it to you, the journey and the experience using the ZV1 Mark II. But of course, I'm still gonna keep my original, the ZV1 Mark I. Okay, let us see. Let's dig in. What's inside the box? Okay, this is very small box, very tiny. Okay, so said here, ZV1 Mark II digital camera from Sony. We have all the paperworks, but definitely different for depends which country do you live. All right, so we're gonna put it on the side. So just the camera, I think. What inside? Okay, I don't have the the tripod from the top, so we're using this. So, and this small envelope, there's for the microphone, like the pop from the microphone when it's windy. All right, and I'm gonna open this box. Let us see what's inside. So the battery, it's in here, very tiny batteries. So there's a battery here, one battery. It's the battery NP-BX1, same as the old one. So we can use some extra battery now. And here's the camera. All right, very simple. It looks like a little bit more heavier than the old one. And this is it, guys. All right, and on my left, this is the original one, and on my right, the new ZV1 Mark II. All right, so stay tuned on this channel for more experience on this camera and for continuous use of this camera. All right, that's all, folks. See you next time. Bye.